Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you three websites to search for jobs, and specifically I'll show you a website for internships. Okay, so I'll also tell you like how to search for these jobs, what are the important things which you should consider before opting for the internship. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, so Goms Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. Here you can find an important playlist for all the students, those who are looking for the job. So you can find the skill up playlist. So in this skill up playlist I will be updating the information about the internship opportunities, job opportunities and everything. So don't forget to subscribe here. Okay, so let us go to the first website. And one more thing, if you wanted to have one-to-one call to understand how the interviewers what is the interviewer's expectation and how you have to prepare for your interview, one-to-one mentorship, career guidance or whatever, so you can schedule a call with me. The link is in the description. So the very first website is what Simply Hired. So Simply Hired, here you can find that you have various number of jobs. So here it is specifically showing it in Coimbatore. Okay, so you can just simply delete the job that is a state or city, and you can simply search for the general job opportunities around you. So here in this job type, okay, you have all the filtering options available on the right side, sorry, on the top. You can just click all job types. Here you can find full-time job, part-time job and internship. This is very important. So even if you wanted to find for your internship, you can find it here. And if you are looking, if you are looking anywhere, like you can tell like 100 kilometers. Okay, so in and around, so here you can find it. Or if you are very specific about the country, for example, if you are searching for the internship in Bangalore, then you can search for that, and it will show you all the internships which are there in Bangalore, which are open in Bangalore. So you have to refine the like which company you're going to choose. Okay, so the three things which you should do, you should check is what. First one is what is the estimated time. Okay, because in the college probably they'll be giving you 3 months for an internship. In few colleges they'll be providing you 6 months of internship. So you should check for the duration. The second important thing you should see is what the cost. They should provide you either, they should provide you the scholarship amount or any incentives, or else you can learn something from them, but they should not ask you cost, they should not ask you the money to join the internship. So don't go if you are supposed to pay. The third one is company name. Do the complete research about the company before you apply. Okay, so whatever is here, we cannot assure that this is what the exact company and this is the best company. I cannot assure you that. Okay, you have to go and search. For example, freshers for ERP implementation, they're telling you like TYA business solution, and it's a fresher internship. Estimated is like 1,21,000 to 1,54,000 a year. So you have to check. Okay, so here if you just click on this apply now, it will ask you to sign in or sign up. Once signing in, it will ask you to give your details, give the complete details. Okay, and then cross check with the company. So just go and search for the company, try to understand what is the company is all about, what are they really dealing with, and whether the scope of this particular company really suits you. For example, if you are very interested in designing website using Python, HTML, CSS, or you are very good in programming, so you love Python, in that case you should not go for ERP implementation. Okay, so like that you should decide. Like you can just scroll down. If you're very specific about any specific topic, like for example web designing. Okay, so web designing internship, so you should search for web design. Don't go for this generic search options. Okay, so web design and search whether it is there in this. Yes, it is there. So nearly 24 web designing internship jobs are there in Bangalore. Even if you wanted to search for the job, then you can also check here for the full-time jobs, web designing full-time jobs which are available in Bangalore. Okay, yeah, the first website is over. You have to cross check before you apply. Next one is freshersjob.com, freshersworld.com. This is very very important website where you can find many options here. See, once if you enter into the freshersworld.com, okay, it will take you to the home screen. You have two options here. One is all job, second one is an internship. And if you check the topmost menu, you will find a lot and lot of information here. Like this is jobs. Okay, what type of job you wanted to apply for? So this is the job category. And then job by courses, what courses you are doing it. Okay, and if you want, you can even see the premium paper. You can learn the questions previously asked interview questions from Accenture, group discussion topics, many things here. So these are important thing you should consider. I basically in the initial stage I will not prefer to go with a premium membership, because first you understand the complete website. Try to log in here, click here with the job seeker login. Okay, and one more thing I'll also recommend you is what, create a separate mail id. It might be a Gmail, it might be Yahoo, Outlook, whatever it may be. Create a separate Gmail id and maintain it for specifically for your job applies. Okay, job for applying for the job, you can create a separate Gmail id and keep it only for the job applications. That is my recommendation, my advice as well. So here you can find, if you in the left side you can see research based job. You can click on this research and see what are all the research based jobs you have. Analytical chemistry, so analytical chemistry jobs, so you have lot and lot of jobs. And then go to walk-in to see like what are the walk-ins happening around. Okay, so just click on the working, click on the teaching, so you can see specifically on the teaching jobs what are the things which you have. You have nearly 188 jobs. Okay, you can find it here. Got it. So these are the things which you should look for. And in the left side you can nearly find various categories, other categories to be considered. Okay, and on the top you have to apply for the job seeker. Got it. So, and the third most important thing is what, Amazon jobs. So you should also consider this Amazon jobs. Check this often if you are applying for. So here they have categorized into various categories like administrative support, Amazon design, business and management, data science if you're very interested in data science, marketing, public policy, everything. Okay, so here you can see if you click on the data science. Okay, it will take you to the data science related jobs page. So there you have to click on this explore open job roles. Okay, so if you click on the explore open job roles, you can see what are the job roles available. So what you have to do is what, you have to first filter based on your location country. So if you are from India, you can click on India. So once you have selected India, accordingly your state and province will be updated. So here exactly where you are looking for. So if you're looking for Karnataka, then you can see exactly in Karnataka what are the things which you, where it is. Okay, so senior business intelligence, applied scientist, data analyst. So just click on this. You can also request for the internship in Amazon. You can, if you know anyone's mail ID, you can send, or also You can also send a mail to the career page. That will be mail ID here. If you don't find, you just let me know, I will check and let you know. So this is what, at Amazon, what are the key job responsibilities and basic qualification, what are the qualification and what are the preferred qualification they are expecting. So here you can just try and see internship. So it is showing operational internship, leadership. If you wanted to go with the general internship, just press internship. So it will show you what are the open internships available. Okay, so you can also select here. In India you have 220 internships available. So I can see program and analyst, what are the internships which are there and when it is posted, when it is updated, what you are supposed to do, what is your expectations, everything. So here you can find the complete information about the internships as well. So these are the three websites which I wanted to highlight. So try to go and search for it, apply for the job, and get your job ready for your future. If you have any queries, please leave your queries in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.